I'm not going to be performing anything. I am the owner here at the cafe, and I just wanted to let a couple things be known for the night. One is that you'll notice that I'm talking now because the sun has set, and today was the day of silence. So if you saw a lot of random people walking around with notebooks and making odd gestures at you without using words, the day of silence is to commemorate those that don't have voices due to hate crime and bullying. So we were silent here at the cafe from open till close, at least one of us all throughout the day. Now that the sun has set, we are talking again, but thank you for bearing with us while we were quiet. And also to any of my open mic performers that are here, if you're not catching John's show in Normal, it is our 2-year anniversary here on May 3rd, and we are having a huge party that starts at 9 a.m. and goes probably until I pass out. But every half an hour we have artists coming in. We have some of our slam poets and some of our comedians. So if any of our open mic people would like to come and play as well, I do have a sign up for it, and we still have a decent selection of times left. So anyone that would like to come in and play, just find me and let me know. And now I'm going to give the mic back to Paul.